Let's get rid of all these. Let's go to Instagram. I just want to quickly educate you guys on something very, very cool. Have you guys heard of Most Wanted GTR? All right. I think they're going to start a YouTube channel. I'm not sure. But this is their Instagram page. They have, in my opinion, what is to be the best BMW M3 GTR Need for Speed replica of all time. Because they've got the 2M AutoWorks body kit, the side exhaust. It sits just right. I mean, look at this freaking thing. It's gorgeous. Look at this. I have to zoom it in a little bit. Like, look at how good this car looks, you guys. So, it has the S54. The side exhaust is a little different than what I was talking about in a previous video. It doesn't use like the official BMW Motorsport exhaust. It has like some kind of custom thing. So the bends are a little different because, in case you didn't know, on the official BMW race cars, they try to increase, like, optimize airflow in the exhaust flow in the exhaust as much as possible. So the bends are very few and far between, and any bends you have are kind of long and smooth. Whereas with this, the exhaust bends are very sudden, so it follows the similar like installation locations of just a E46 M3 street car, and then it just suddenly bends at 90 degrees and goes out the side, which is fine. It's just not what BMW Motorsport would do. They've got some resonators there, muffler there, so that's the side exhaust right here. So exiting out the side right here, they've got a muffler all custom, and I think they also have a heat plate there too. Obviously they had to cut out a hole in the side skirt, which is fine. Looks great. We'll play again. So we've got stock parts, resonators, and then suddenly this would normally be section 2, but now it's just the muffler. It's got a muffler there, just bends. Very cool. Has he got a YouTube page? What is the YouTube page called? Does he have it at the top? What is his YouTube page? Someone shout out his YouTube page, please. This thing is so good looking. It genuinely just looks like the video game car in real life. It is really good. And honestly, I think it looks better with the updated front bumper rather than the V1 front bumper. I think it looks better. It's also more aerodynamic. This is the body kit I'm probably going to go with as well. I know I talked about that PTG kit. I know it's carbon fiber, and I know it's race proven, but this looks so good. It's expensive, but it looks so good. So kudos to them for making like the best replica I've ever seen. I think these are E88 BBS wheels. That's not original BMW Most Wanted wheels. Nice. Oh, by the way, the livery is not a wrap. They painted this stuff on. YouTube won't let me... just mess with the link until you can post it. Just put like his YouTube like username, and then I can enter it in. No. That's not the right person. This is not Andre's car. This is not Andre's car. Even Andre said himself, it would have been nice if I could have afforded $20,000 for a body kit, but Andre custom made his body kit. This is using molds from real race car parts. This is not Andre's car. So Andre, I don't know how to say your last name, Klebayev. This isn't Andre's car. Andre did make a very cool M3 GTR replica. He brought it to New York. He brought it to SEMA, and then he later sold it. This is not the same car. This is a very recent build using 2M AutoWorks parts. And the livery is painted on. It's not a wrap. It's painted on. Do they have anything in their story here? Frick. That was loud. Oh my goodness. I really want to film this car. The owner said that they will take the car to St. Louis at some point. So the moment it comes here, I'm going to freaking film it. Because holy crap. I would not miss an opportunity to film this car. It's great. I mean, look at it. I just wanted to tell you guys about it. Because as you guys know, like a lot of you are like, why aren't you building an NFS, M3 GTR replica car? I'm not going to do that. I want to build my own car. So I like this body kit. I'm going to use this body kit. I'm going to do the same wing. I'm going to do a very similar side exhaust. Different engine, though, because Got to have those extra 2 cylinders. But I'm not going to do this livery. I'm going to do the purple and black livery I do in a lot of Need for Speed Let's Plays. Which I can show to you guys really quick. Give me 1 second while I open Google Drive. All right, the thumbnails, for whatever reason, are not updating. So it's this livery that I want to do. You know, purple and black, you've got the number 9 on the hood. You've got the straight stripes instead of the kind of more wavy ones, kind of more complementing the body lines of the car. Side exhaust, wing, and all that. Let's see if I can find a different picture showing the back. No, this is just more the side. I know someone said BBS RE 95 and 94 wheels. I can't get those. A set of those would cost me $40,000, and they'd be center lock racing wheels. And the person who has them probably wouldn't even want to sell them to me because I'm putting them on a street car chassis for YouTube. So, probably not likely, unfortunately. Those wheels are cool. This is what I want the back to look like, all right? Do you see kind of the similarity between this and the NFS livery? This kind of shape right here? Because I always thought this shape was iconic. Because this is what you always see when you're driving the car in the video game. And I just thought that this looked great. Any other good pictures? That's just the front. Number 9 is my lucky number. That's why I've got the IX there. I think it's the best livery I think I've ever designed, in my opinion. I always come back to it when I play Need for Speed. I always think it's the best looking one I made. But yeah. What was I gonna say? You can't get really the official race car wheels, but you can get great replicas. Replicas I would vouch for. Here we go. Look at these, man. These are replica wheels of the official BBS ones used on the GTR replicas. Race cars. GTR replica. These are basically exact replicas of the wheels used on the GTR race cars. And they look fantastic. And plus they've got holes for like street cars. It's not center lock, which I know a lot of you seem to be really obsessed with, but this is perfect for street cars. A Porsche GT3 RS would look sick in that color combo. The purple and black. I made an awesome purple and black Porsche GT2 in Payback. This is from 2018, you guys. Oh look, it's Brian's Skyline. Do you guys see what I'm kind of basing it off of? So I put the Most Wanted logo on here, or Need for Speed in the the Most Wanted graffiti style. I just love the way that looks on this car. This car, like if I got a Porsche 911, I would make it look like a GT2 like this, and make it look exactly like this because this looks so cool. And I'm not a big Porsche guy. You guys should know this. So yeah, that's how that looks. It looks pretty good. Pretty good. Is there anything else I want to talk about? There's another thing I want to quickly tell you guys about regarding M3 GTR replicas and stuff. Turner Motorsport is working on their own S65 build, and I wanted to ask them how their engine swap was going. So I emailed them. They haven't emailed me back yet, so we'll see. It looks like the series is on hold because they have a build series. So if I just search this here. And it's really cool. Turner Motorsports E46. Project Turnicorn M3. I don't know why they call it Turnicorn. I think it's in reference to the Unicorn Mustang from Ken Block or something. But they've got this really awesome series documenting in pretty good technical detail the whole process of swapping in a BMW M3 E92 V8 into an E46 M3 chassis. Down to even making sure they get the air conditioner to work. The air conditioner. So it's very, very cool. It's only 599 subscribers. So I'm hoping they keep uploading episodes because they managed to get the engine into the car and it just looks great. Anyways, that's kind of all I wanted to talk about for the stream, to be honest. Anyways, thank you all for watching today's stream. You guys are fantastic. I'll see you all next time. Bye.